the hell up. Fool, I'm making the video. And my
I know
what I want with that?
Whatever, nigga.
Arnold. I said I'm making the video. I said.
On to the next one.
Can't even see. It's dark, shit.
You can see. Watch this.
Next stop. What's the next stop? What you doing, bro?
It's start recording.
I don't want to.
Well, too late.
I'm not.
Look at that body. Tigger and what's that boy name? Yeah, it's the showers. Daryl, come here. Duh.
It's on video?
Yes.
Yo, listen, we just went in the beach, right?
And now
my
we
nigga
take the
Arnold, put it on Arnold. My nigga Jaymo, right? Put it back on me. My cousin right there, man, put it on him.
Put it on,
Yeah, right, yeah.
Put it on me.
Put it on nose.
But nothing but
Yo, I would keep it 100. We had to come out the water, but you know we got a little bait on. Me and Jaymo first time baiting this shit.
We live season 1 episode. You are.
Hey, yo, I ain't for nothing. I never seen no shit like this before. Check this out. Sand, baby. Sand. So you know I went in that water, baby. You feel me? I went in that water.
It said
Nah, this some real shit right there.
we gotta take it off and get you on.
Hey, yeah, get you on. Get you on. Hey, we live. We live, boy. We live.
This the live is good. You feel me?
Hey, ain't for nothing.
Hey, it ain't for nothing. Took my dog like 5 years to get no locks up. Now you feel me?
Ain't for nothing. What is that? Ain't for nothing.
You feel me? Hey, we vibe like this, man. Real talk, man. Nobody else like check it.
Can't,
Look,
man.
nobody else. It's just us, man.